How to unarchive post on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Instagram. And say for example that you have archived a post, but now you want to unarchive it. The process is very easy and simple. All what you need to do is click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and from the pop-up menu just click on archive. And as you can see, you are now on the stories archive. So what you need to do is click on that drop down at the top left corner of your screen, and then select posts archive from the bottom, and you will land on the posts archive section. So click on the post that you want to unarchive, and then click on the three dots at the top right corner of that post. Then from the options at the bottom, click on show on profile. A confirmation box will appear that tells you what will happen when you unarchive this post. Click on show on profile to confirm. And once the post has been unarchived and restored, it will appear on your profile. So that was it for this video. That's how you can unarchive posts and pictures on Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.